It is the birth anniversary of the esteemed soul, I am Marwa, an African YouTuber from the village of Nabahans in Kenya, Africa. As we celebrate this special day, let us reflect on the impact that I am Marwa has had on many lives. His kindness, wisdom, and infectious positivity has touched the hearts of many, inspiring them all to be better versions of themselves. May this day be a reminder to us all to spread love and kindness wherever we go, just as I am Marwa does. We wish I am Marwa a day full of laughter, blessings, and many gifts, and a great party in Nabahans, Kenya. Happy birthday, I am Marwa.